Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the CPU regulator on your HP Victus 15. Before we dive in, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Let's get started. 1. Power off and unplug your laptop, safety first. Ensure your HP Victus 15 is completely powered down and unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. 2. Remove the back cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry the back cover off. Be cautious not to damage any clips. 3. Locate the CPU regulator. With the back cover removed, locate the CPU regulator on the motherboard. It is usually found near the CPU itself. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with its position. 4. Disconnect the battery. Before proceeding, disconnect the battery to prevent any electrical shorts. This step is crucial for your safety and the safety of the device. 5. Remove the old CPU regulator. Carefully disconnect any cables or connectors that may be attached to the CPU regulator. Using your screwdriver, remove the screws holding the regulator in place. Gently lift the regulator out of its slot. If it's stuck, wiggle it slightly, but be careful not to apply too much force. 6. Clean the area. Before installing the new CPU regulator, clean the area with isopropyl alcohol. This step is important to ensure good contact and performance of the new component. Let it dry completely. 7. Install the new CPU regulator. Align the new CPU regulator with the motherboard and insert it into place. Secure it with screws, making sure it's tightly fastened. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected. 8. Reconnect the battery. Once the new regulator is in place, reconnect the battery. This ensures that your laptop has power for the next steps. 9. Reattach the back cover. Carefully place the back cover back onto the laptop, ensuring that all clips are secured. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to keep it in place. 10. Power on your laptop. Finally, plug in your laptop and power it on. Check to see if the new CPU regulator is functioning correctly. If you're unsure about any step in this process or don't have the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. Plus, you'll receive a quote before any repair work is done, ensuring transparency in our services. By following these steps, you'll successfully replace the CPU regulator in your HP Victus 15. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.